Nothing beats the smell of freshly baked bread wafting through your kitchen. It's a smell that speaks of comfort, warmth, and delicious home cooking. And the best part? Baking your own wholemeal loaf is easier than you might think. Forget about complicated recipes with long lists of ingredients. This simple recipe will guide you through each step, ensuring a delicious and satisfying result. Get ready to impress yourself and your family with a loaf that's not just tasty but healthy too. Before we embark on our baking adventure, let's gather our trusty ingredients. You'll need 300 grams of strong white bread flour, 100 grams of wholemeal bread flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, a 7-gram sachet of fast-action dried yeast, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 300 milliliters of lukewarm water. These simple ingredients are all you need to create magic in your kitchen. Remember, baking is like chemistry. Having the right ingredients in the right quantities is crucial for success. Now you might be wondering, why use both wholemeal and white flour? Well, using only wholemeal flour can result in a slightly denser loaf. By adding strong white bread flour, we achieve a lighter and airier texture. The wholemeal flour adds a lovely nutty flavor and makes the bread healthier, while the strong white flour provides the necessary gluten for a good rise. It's all about finding the perfect balance. In a large bowl, add your flour, salt, sugar, and yeast. Make a well in the center and pour in the olive oil and water. Using your hands or a stand mixer with a dough hook, gently combine the ingredients until they form a rough, shaggy dough. Don't worry if it seems a bit sticky at this stage, we'll take care of that later. This initial mixing process helps to hydrate the flour and activate the yeast, which will give our bread its beautiful rise.